Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Today we are here in the Noida city. Who are following me on Instagram, they already know my next unboxing, and who are following me YouTube, the last video when I was uploaded DualSense Edge controller, the day only I said next January we are going to do PS5 Pro unboxing. Yes, right now we are doing PS5 Pro unboxing. Yes, dude. On the last week of I visited Sony store, I didn't get any positive news regarding PS5 Pro launching, so I decided to buy import PS5 Pro. Here is our beast. Yes, this PS5 Pro I bought in Game On store, dude. And talking about this Game On store, this store you will see from Karolabag metro station to 1 kilometer distance, and me and Aisha Ravi, we both went just casual walk from the metro station. Who likes gaming, who are interested in gaming, this store even for them. Yes, here you will see all kind of PlayStation consoles, controls, drives, discs, console covers and control covers. Yes, it is even for only for gamers. And talking about the price, and I saw in official PlayStation store site, I think $700, dude, US dollars. And for me, this PS5 will cost, comparing US dollars, $840. Yes, in Indian rupees, 77,250 rupees it cost for me. This store. Thank you.
Baby, show me
Yes. Now we are going to unbox the beast. The beast. Yes. Go on. Yes, here is our PS5 Pro. Yes, dude. You will see this side, you will see the PlayStation logo with PS5 Pro, and here they mention all in this box what and all I will get, like cables, controls, console and whatever I will get, they written here. The behind the box, it is and very interesting. I can't read this. Yes, this is Japan variant, you know, right? The first PlayStation developed by Sony Entertainment in Japan 1994. Yes, we have Japan variant only. And who know hiragana, katakana, kanji, they can easily read whole script, but I can't. Yes, I can also, using Google translation I can read. And mainly you will see USA varianted, mainly you will see USA varianted, UK varianted and Europe varianted and Japan varianted. And the difference between other varianted and this Japan variant, nothing difference. Power also same, specs also same, everything is same, no worries. And the outside box only change. The whole script you need to use, you need to know the whole script, you need to use the Google translation. On the side they mention PS5 Pro console, control and the PlayStation Pro, and they written here the 2TB. Yes, massive 2TB built-in SSD, faster gameplay and faster load. Yes, on the back, yeah, this is the front side, and you will see normal PS5, you will see 8K also, right? But they removed that, and no worries, if you have 8K display also, it can do. Don't worry about that. And they written here 4K 120 frames per second and HDR. And notice this is the digital variant. Yes, on the top you will see the PlayStation PS5 Pro, and notice that's it on the bottom. Yes, they written some serial numbers. I will show you. I'm gonna hide these serial numbers here, bro. HD, HDR, DTH, and what is that? Dolby Atmos. You will see. Now we are going to unbox the legend. Come on. Wait. Yes. First. And yes, we're talking about this boxing. This is not an open box, dude. Had these two what is security tags I just removed on my hands, and I never feel so this is open box, because in front of me even I only done this unboxing, right? And yes, and I saw so many videos, and you will get two different packs, but here I am getting only one pack. In this inside only they given separate slats, and everything is only one box. And here, yeah, this is complimentary DualSense cover, the Spider-Man cover. The Game & Store for me they given complimentary. It's good, dude. And first we will see two clips. Oh shit. Yes, here is two clips, dude. On the corner you are seeing, right, the white color, this is the rubber. Yes, rubber. And who are interested to mount their console like a horizontal, this two clips is very useful for them. And who are interested to mount like a vertical, no need these two clips, no need, dude. And yes, and the first we are going to see this part. I am getting three different cables. Like first we are gonna talk about the C cable, and who are playing 4 hours, 5 hours, like 10 hours, more than that, it is very useful. One side you can connect your console, on the other side you can connect to the controller. Yes, 2.1 cable, dude, this one. Yes, it is very useful. First C cable we can, the next HDMI cable. Using this cable 120 frames 4K we can play using this, the original cable. The next we will see the power cable, and here is the highlight, dude. And if you want to use this, even I want to use this, I need to buy one converter. I don't have this converter. And the other side I can this part I can connect my console. This is the three cables I am receiving inside the box. Close this door. Then next to this you will see here, right? Yes, control. Let's talk about this control. It's very important. Let's talk about this control. Yeah, mainly once you hold this control you feel nothing, because I have DualSense Edge controller, right? Comparing for that, this is a very lightweight, and that seems like very premium, dude. And you will miss so many options here, mainly the trigger sense. Here you will get medium, high and low, right? I will miss this, and two esports buttons. On this side I will miss two functional keys, and if I broke this stick, the joystick, I can easily replace DualSense Edge controller, but here I don't know, but I think I need to change whole control if I broke something here. Maybe. Yes, now I'm gonna insert this controller to, let me see how it looks and how it feels. Come on, dude. Here we go, baby. See here, the new Spider-Man controller. Yes, do you see here? But now it feels like something different, dude. Like a rubbery. I'm getting good grip. Yes, good grip. Yeah, finally we have Spider-Man controller. And now here we go, baby. And now we are talking about this, the main, that is this, the main, the legend. Yes. One second. Oh yeah. Come on. I can. So firstly we will see the two manuals, and inside these manuals I can't see single information also in English. and I think this is not useful for me. If I want to know some information on this, I need to use Google Translation. Yes, dude. See here, I can't. See, the whole written hiragana katakana kanji. No use for me. Yes, now the legend. He said nothing, dude. That's it. Open the wrap. Open this wrap. Wow. Feeling something different. Come on. Here is our legend. Here is our legend, dude. Here is our legend. PS5 Pro. This is all new PS5 Pro built for next level performance. Powered by a more advanced GPU for smoother and faster gameplay. Experience realistic lighting with enhanced ray tracing. And enjoying sharp visuals with PSSR, yes, AA upscaling, 4K 120 frames, higher frame rates up to 120 FPS for ultra smooth action, massive 2TB built-in SSD for more gameplay and faster game load, faster online gaming with Wi-Fi 7 technology, and with Game Boost, your favorite PS4, PS5 game run better than ever. The Japan varianted and USA, UK and Europe varianted same power, same specs. This is the PS5 Pro another level console, dude. And now we are talking about the physical appearance. Yes, now we are gonna talk about the physical appearance. The first you will see here the power button, and the next see the top one is the normal, the second one is the super speed USB-C, and here you will see the gap, right? You will see here the ventilation will go in, and the back side you will see the out, and the side this is just like nothing, dude. This is like a normal design, the 3 lines, and you can remove this part. Oh, it's too strong, and you can remove this 4 covers also. The white color you can customize up to your wish. And the back side we are talking about, here you will see one yes, here you will see one and the back side you will see here, you will see one HDMI, one LAN cable and 2 super speed USB cables 3.1, and the last but not least the power socket. That's it, dude. On the top, the bottom they written some serial number, and let me check. I want to match my serial number. Is it same box? Yeah, dude. This is the original box. See, the serial number is absolutely same. Oh my god. Yes, dude. Yes, perfect. And that's up to you, dude, but the customer service is excellent on the Game On store. If you are like a casual visitor also, yeah, yes, you can see there you will get whole kind of PlayStations, different like a PS4 Pro, 5 Pro, you will get there. And that's it, guys. And if you like this video, do like and sub, dude. And this is your neighborhood rider RiderRameshKumar signing off.